guys, Google just dropped some crazy new AI tools and trust me, these are next level. Today we are going to explore them together. From an ultra realistic AI voice generator to a powerful image model that can literally extend your photos in just seconds. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prachi and in this video we will test both of these new tools live inside Google AI Studio. And the best part, both of these tools are completely free to use right now. So let's jump into it because trust me, you are going to love what Google has built. So first, let's start with the new AI voice generator. When you open Google AI Studio, you will see the option called Generate Native Speech with Gemini. Click on that and here where the fun begins. You can generate voice for single speaker or multi-speaker. Right now, I am trying the single speaker mode. And look at these, there are so many voice options available. Like calm voice, energetic one, deep male tone, soft female voice, and even different accent. This is perfect for YouTube videos, reels, podcasts, narrations, literally everything. Let's test this one.
What sparks your interest?
Wow, the sound so natural, it doesn't even feel robotic. It's super smooth and realistic. Now listen to this one.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
Completely different vibe, right? That's what I love. You can pick the perfect voice to match to your content. There are honestly so many to explore. I can't show all of them here, but you guys should definitely check out and tell me in comments which voice you love the most. Now let's move to the second tool, that is Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Model. This one is seriously powerful. It can create professional level image in just seconds and even edit or extend your existing one. Let's test these models right now. I have uploaded a picture of birds and I am going to ask to Gemini to generate an image where a model is holding this bird. And look at this result. It's so realistic, the lighting, detail, everything looks professional. This is perfect for business owners, designers or social media brands who want product or promotional image instantly. Now here's something even more amazing. Let's suppose you have an image where the background is cut off or too small. You can use Gemini 2.5 to extend the background and boom, it's fill it perfectly, keeping the same style and lighting. Look how smooth that is. It's look real photo editing but done by AI in just few seconds. Seriously, this model can save hours of editing work. Now, if you want to try both of these tools by yourself, it's super simple. Just go to Google AI Studio and explore them. So that's all for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome AI updates. See you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep enjoying.